say. So I know you guys are expecting my daddy Bobby, but some people say I'm the female version of my dad. I don't think that. I think I'm the Pro-Max version of my dad. Like, I'm an iPhone 13, he's an iPhone 6, you're old, nobody wants you. Anyways, if you don't know me, I'm going to say my name once and not twice. Let's turn this into a rap. Elena, Boma, Chuku, Funaya, Bubu, Yoyo, aka Young Adult, aka Yoyo Money, aka Rich Girl, and aka Superstar. So, I'm kind of sad because I won't be able to watch the show. My daddy says it's for grown-ups, but when I grow up, I'm going to be hosting the show. Like, look at me, I'm already 40. So, I'm also